Hey, get-moi. Get the back on. Da. Get the back on, bitch. Trash, bitch. You trash. 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 Oh my god. T'as les mots. Oh, prends-le. Me faire moi toi.
Recharging shield. I need help.
Vous êtes balle. Ah balle. Vous êtes shield. Ah shield. Je ne quitte rien. Penalty moon, nu dois avec penalty moon là. Ah yo, dans ma sauté, il m'a pas vrai. Ah ouais. Limbo, hey, Limbo, shut up. That people don't talk. Mon cabine est neuf. Mais parce que non, on est obligé 9 mois, moi, c'est trop faux. Mon Dieu. Ah, aide-moi. Attends, mauvais vinet, ouais. Bah, pas fini chaud, toi. Marie dit mon tata. Eh, vini, allez. Invite-moi. Fuck you, monsieur, viens revive, toi. Motivé, viens revive, toi. Pas mon problème. Mon gars, des commentaires. Monsieur, ça des commentaires qui m'ont gagné là avec une France. Non, toi qui quitte, toi qui livre. Oui. Ouais. Attends, causer? Tente-toi extra loin. Tente-toi mais extra loin. Ouais mais tente-toi extra loin.
I'm not paranoid. I'm prepared. Time to win and stay alive.
Não, meu botão não, vou conversar. Sandukan. Bari mag-chat damas Susan mga mo. Ay masa damasan mo. Mag-yan ko. Ano mo rin binong to? Ouais, vous êtes en train de mourir. Toi qui me crasse, hein? Heal. Ah, heal-toi. Putain, mon frère.
Switching to drone view. Watch my back. There's cover here. Off my drone.
Ini go wing mana awak poni? Legend never dies.
Hold on. Shields recharging.
Good on us not to. Yes. Active voilà.
Signaling my drone back. Pitching into my eye in the sky. Putting an eye in
Active là, attends.
Shields recharging.
Qui finit tout? Non, allez. Gede ini.
Recharging my shield. Recharging shield. Recharging my shield.
Allez, heal-toi.
I am repairing myself. Give me a second. Fixing up. I'm fine. Just fixing up.
Hop.
Let's move here.
Khaybar. Kina. Bah, moi je fais un carré, toi de masse.
Getting out of my drone. I'm good to go.
Mon
an exit.
We should go this way. Who's ready to fly on us?
Go, Ramette, go, 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 pour protéger toi. Go, go, go. Go, Dan, fais ça. Dan, fais ta fête, Dan. Dan, mauvais place, tu vas trouver. Tu vas trouver? Moi connais. Moi pas connais, moi connais, moi connais. Let's go. I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Grappling.
Maman restez, il me trop fort moi. Story time, enfin. Non, mal pas oublier moi après, c'est tout. Ça, comme dis moi, Octane is dead avec moi. Ah, Octane is dead. Octane died. Non, moi, regarde. Tu as ma photo ça passe? Ouais, tu as ma photo ça passe? Tan. Combien ça nous gagner? Combien? Ouais. D'un bateau, parce qu'il y a 1000. C'est-à-dire, moi, j'ai 50. Moi, j'ai 50. Moi, je vais vous. Là, normalement, on a un trésor pack pour ceux là. Si on a un trésor pack, vous avez l'affaire là. Alors, venez qui est là, les là? Ouais, les là, venez nous prendre un trésor pack de match. Fais match, je n'en prends un trésor pack, venez, fini. Je suis bien content. Tu regardez comment? Bon, allez, qui n'a pas Gibraltar? Ça ne pas connu. Bon, pas quoi Gibraltar nous a fait. Même s'il est maybe Octane, maybe pour Octane, don't know. Qui grips? Hein? Ah oui. Je finis sur 2 heures. Ouais. Non, moi, ça t'a question.
I cannot wait to win this match, friend. Oh, it
showtime.
Wow, CIA.
This is your champion.
Remember me, friends. I may
Hein?
kill you.
I'm glad ki mon tweet 10 000 paroles pour là, mon quoi. Eh, dans la même place. Allez, allez. Non, là, nous faisons chose. Nous gagnons treasure pack, fini. Nous refaisons l'affaire.
Break your heart, and then I'll break everything else.
Non, vous allez lire.
I work hard
Vous
for
allez lire. Ouais, après. Après. Ouais. Ouais. Non. Là, on fait un direct pour moi. Là, le YouTube, on n'a pas besoin de lire. On n'a pas besoin de lire vite, voilà. Fuck you. Allô, ouvert le stade 2.
Beginning ring countdown.
Lucky us, we are already inside the ring.
Mon gars, je pas que de nom. Mon gars, je pas que d'un affaire. Mon gars, je pas que. Ouais. Bah, tu me l'as pas ensemble seulement. Ouais, c'est pas nous.
Mira, someone's out there.
Ouais, j'ai dit pour la faire là. Oh, bah, ni chien.
Thank you.
Voilà là.
You're welcome. Target spotted.
Moi, je vais toujours m'entendre les gens là. Attendez, venez. En tout cas, Acheli. Prends jump pad là, Vini. Maintenant, va prendre jump pad moi. Jump. Ouais. Et je vais prendre jump pad. Prends jump pad. Là au moins.
Enemy taken down. Son them amigos.
Imbo? Comment tu dis?
Body shield here. Level 2.
Thanks.
Gotta hop up here. Hammer point. Thanks. No problemo.
Pauvre du moins, mon laser. Avec les jambes au fur. Ouais. Si tu as envie, gueule et tout. Non, moi en fait, un toit. Stream là, peut-être un doucement. Ouais, moi en fait, un bien. Moi en fait, un bien, moi. Bon, pas populaire.
Great. Already inside the
Quand
ring.
tu as café, alors. Attends, peut-être la voix des coups, mon gars, comme moi, hein. Allez, d'accord, me tient la voix des quoi, là. T'as raison, la voix des coups. Après, me mets mon earphone, c'est-à-dire comme toi, me mets des micro là, c'est-à-dire comme tu sais que te dire, répondre à mon micro, là, à mon string. That's some big brain.
Attention, delivering care package.
Au fait, pas tant, toi.
Incoming care package. I love loot.
Regarde que nous cherchons un care package. Que nous cherchons un care package. On verra là, vraiment.
Must go faster.
Vous avez le helmet là. Go le helmet là, vous bien, hein. Ah, mon avis. Moi, la balle. Mon avis.
Frag out. Frag out. Frag out. Grenade out.
Na bunker. Côté de mot là. Pas fait en est octane, pas vrai? C'est mot. Pas une prochaine temps.
Ha! Hitting the eject button.
Bon ben, tu connais. Me finger moi je pas.
Using grapple.
Ellie. Non, moi, mon copain il est Ellie. Bon, moi fait ton temps. Attends, est-ce que mon calendrier ça fait l'instantané? Non. Join-moi. Join-moi. Join. Join tranquille. Tu as besoin d'attentat. T'es propre, Dan. Oh fuck, mon invite une box pour là. Sorry why? Sorry why? Mon invite pas exprès. Padahal. The Gauntlet. Ok. Crée-moi. Tu vas créer moi gaming. Tu m'en gros l'autre cousin. Tu aurais moi gaming pendant. Eh non, là tu créé moi pour moi t'as. Tu aurais moi gaming à chaque fois. Je suis content de créer ta Rio. Rio, eh Rio, viens à Rio. Gaming, taille. Pour faire que tu as gaming, tu comprends. Tu crées ma gamer, on m'appelle gaming.
It's time to impress.
This experiment will sort out the capable from the incompetent.
Bunker, tu vas m'oublier, bunker, mon caustique. Eh, t'as une ultra bonne prowler? E non, si no, vince champion sa faire. I champion bird. Bon, Octane aveva l'immodo in Twisted the Prowler. Ma trash. Il patine à il tue des problèmes, il m'a inquiété. Tenez, me cacher sous le gear.
Deploying a variable.
Almo, va venir m'arrêter ça. Eh, non, 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 non! Mais t'es pas dit. Non. Non, il faut c'était. Reste en Gaza. Krishna, toi seulement. Ah. Des couleurs. N'oublie activer. N'oublie activer là.
Recharging my shields.
Gas trap deployed.
On a fait invisible.
Adding another gas trap. Trap set.
Ok, d'accord. Mon Dieu!
Now I can return to my research.
Oh my god! No, I don't want to go. Allez. Oh, the gas truck gone. Oh, the gas truck stay. Allez, Romain. Romain. Allez, Krishna, nous commençons à lire les histoires octées. Quel mot vilain. Mot bien apprécié. Bon, vous voulez lire avec passion, vous voulez. Vous voulez non oublier, mon papa lire, comment dire, comment vous trouver bien ça. Stéphane Kaka. The lying. I'm so close. Watson has regained consciousness. She and Clutter have nearly finished assembling the artifact. Everything is going according to plan. In a day or two, I can wave goodbye to the Apex game and get back to my life in the penthouse. This is truly my favorite place to be. Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? Pour le bas pour aller, ça veut dire quand il finit son affaire puis aller, dit ciao. On top. On top. Allez. Hey Luba, what's your business? This one again, lovely one. Lovely. One of the people I'm most excited to leave behind. My dad. Do we? Fine. We can go somewhere private. Pourquoi est-ce qu'on m'entend? Do we? Fine. We can go somewhere private if. No need.
sensitive, pas?
No. Gather round, legend. I have 8 liters, something to share. What?
No, don't touch me there. This is my no-no square. That's what I
The
do.
real reason we're risking our lives and it got nothing to do with treasure. Turns out Loba here is working on Hammond Beam. No, I need to stop this now. Bengalo, whatever you think, you don't need it hardly. Oui, comme ça, banna cause. What do you want everyone to know about the devil? Devil. Kuja, she was talking about. Nothing. She's talking about nothing. Goosing and rum. Rumours. Rumors. I have transcript princess. I have transcript princess. Princess Peach. When you level down Skull Town, you say you were taking down a warehouse full of revenant shells. Because that what happened. You all saw it. But that's not all of it. You were looking for somewhere else, something called a source code. I have no idea what you're talking about. The game live lucky. The girl from Hammond. The girl from Hammond obtains day. She mentions the source code too. Let's look at the transcript. Right here, our Hammond rep saying, we know that you want Miss Andres and that's the source code. Fortunately, we know its location. We'll give you a coordinate, but you have to do something for us. Wait, what is this? It's for Hammond? We've been doing all this dirty work for them, Luba. Just made up a treasure story. I'm no good. Okay, I'm confused. I know that never happened, but what big deal, man? You are Hammond C. Hammond, I am this word. So what if it's for them? Shut your bitch ass up, Mirage. None of this is Hammond. I don't know. I don't know what they are, but they ain't IMC, and that scared me, cause I'm a little push. It should scare all of us. Je connais, je plus bon ici pour les affaires. Je prends beaucoup de temps pour les affaires. C'est comme vous avez dit. They all about to get hand on the soaking potential, threaten all the outlines. That's it right with the rest of you. They could be continuing an experiment, and were. The gameur pigs. A weapon that can slaughter all. Oh my... Mon crawl. Vraiment mon crawl. La tête pas bon. Pathfinder, yes. Ou moi na Pathfinder là donc penan ça kaka di mo là. Why lie to your friend Loba? Why not tell us the truth? Because I need to suck someone's dick. You could never understand, you inappliance. Oh, you could never understand, you inappliance. Hey, leave that appliance alone. At least he's honest. You couldn't trust us. Sorry, to do one. Trust you? Trust you? That demon? Ah? Ouais. The demonios has taken hundreds of lives. He took my family from me, and you fight beside him, shoulder to shoulder. No. Ina jimun ki ma kolda mo man fandis ma kanik fia. Ay mo kong silia. One of you was even kind enough to show the true color. You betrayed me to him. And for what? The corner of his pocket, a random spot on his hit list. He was surprised, stupid enough to trust any of you. How dare you? You universe could have destroyed me long ago. What the fuck? Key. Mon billet basics. Fucking hate myself. Looks like we were stupid to trust you too. Not anyone. Not anymore. What the source code do? Lobas. I finally have the secret ending of his miracle ascension. If I tell you, he find out. I never. It's his head. It's his head. No, damn it, no. No, damn it. No! Correct, tae kuyong. I had a short tension and vision dynamic. I am familiar with the internal of the simulacrum programming. The source of the unity's internal logic, the emotions, the memories, the personalities, is the original human brain tissues built into the cranial frame. But in Revenant, it could appear as his original tissue. His source code is internal for the unit. Fascinating. Damn you. You signed my death warrant. You signed my death warrant was a demonic little rat bring back to him. He killed me in my sleep. I can't fail. Then do not sleep. Atal. Luba jadi pakai domi. Let's get out of here. I'm done putting this puzzle together. I wish it was that simple, but we have to complete the artifact. Yes. Hold up. You want to repeat that? Head, please. Ref, maybe try to raise the room. Yank sneeze on the key collection piece, yeah? Key. Fuck you. Listen. We still don't know what this thing does. If we don't build it, Hammond will find it. Somebody will. And then we have no way to find out they're up to. You want us to keep doing this dirty work? I don't want us to get to the truth. We build this thing, find out what it is, and we destroy it. Otherwise, everyone in the outland could suffer. Fuck. Just send lifeline in Gibraltar speed out of... Ramiat. Commence venir octane. Just send life... Écoute-moi vous-même. Écoute-moi vous-même. Just send lifeline in Gibraltar speed out from the reef portal. They recover another piece and octane. Most of it at least. He's lost a lot of blood. Ooh. Ramiat? And he has no leg. Wait, the another race into action. Working as a team saved his life. For a brief moment, I forgotten. I turn around and come face to face with Bengalo. I feel my mouth twist, spitting venom. Beautiful done. The spy will tell the demonio everything, and once he knows of the I'm after, I rip me limb for FAOM limb. Guess you just hit the road then. Get a head start. I'm not going anywhere. Not until that thing is dead. Mofu. Suit yourself. It's your funeral. Bababoo. As Bengalo walk away, I realize my fate sealed. No ally, no backup. I'm a dead woman. But if I go down, I will must. As Bengalo walk away, qu'est-ce que ça me fait venir? Oh, mon billet en bas. I'm taking that bus. That bus start with me. Mon bien pas content, ça je il donne trop beaucoup de suspense. Mais I don't care. Octane, il me fait slipper, il me fait beaucoup de sang. Ils sont beaux. Bon allez, Molly rapide vite là. Bon, Octane est beau. Non, pas de mauvais. Il me fait beaucoup de sang. Et il est pénal les pieds. Encore une fois. La fin de Gibraltar, une société plusieurs portes arrive, il prend Gibraltar, mais c'est notre Octane. Octane perd une tas de distance, les pieds, in no leg. Bon, ben, Octane handicapé, please, ça se tire. Non, pas de moi, je te fais rare. Pas dans une fais rare. Non, attends. Pas dans une fais rare. Pour commencer, mettre un bœuf à Octane. Et ça fait là que ça met une figure. Pas dans non, mon comprend. Bon quoi, hein? Ben là, ce que je peux faire là, je peux recréer, revenir sur la tête. Non, mon pauvre, laisse-moi un bœuf là. Attends, ça veut dire? C'est à toi. Bon, on est un stream, je pas like, je pas subscribe, on va le faire bouger de moi. Allô, fuck you. Bye. Cause de vilain.